What if you could build your own AI-powered robotic arm for just $100? That's exactly what Hugging Face is making possible with its new release, the SO101. It's open source, 3D printable, and programmable, bringing real robotics into your home or workspace without breaking the bank. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you'd love to get hands-on with one of these robotic arms. The SO101 is Hugging Face's latest move in democratizing robotics. Developed in collaboration with French robotics company The Robot Studio, the SO101 is an upgrade to last year's SO100. The original version, released in October, made waves for its affordability and versatility. Now, the SO101 improves on that foundation with faster assembly, better motors, and a more efficient design. The arm can pick up and place objects and is capable of basic chores. It's also equipped with a camera and can be trained using reinforcement learning, an AI technique that helps it learn tasks through trial and error. For example, it can be taught to pick up a Lego brick and drop it into a bin, all on its own. Even though the base price starts at $100, the actual cost can range up to $500, depending on whether you're buying it assembled and where you're buying from. US tariffs on Chinese imports also factor into the final price. Hugging Face is partnering with suppliers like WowRobo, Seed Studio, and Partabot to bring the SO101 to global buyers. This launch also signals Hugging Face's broader expansion into robotics. The company recently acquired Pollen Robotics, a French startup known for its humanoid robot, Ricci 2. Under the leadership of former Tesla Optimus engineer Remy Cadini, Hugging Face's robotics team plans to not only sell Ricci 2, but also open up its code base for developers to improve and contribute to. It's clear Hugging Face isn't just about AI software anymore. They're making big bets on physical AI, and they want developers everywhere to be part of it. Want to see what else is happening in the world of open-source robotics and AI? Watch the related video popping up in the corner right now.